What's up, guys? It's Jason from Eustis Roofing. I'm walking another metal roof system that was done incorrectly and now it's got to get torn off. So I want to show you guys what that looks like. You can see behind me, we're starting to take it off now, and if you look, it's just got regular felt paper. This is what happens to felt paper when you put metal on top of it. Over time it gets super hot, peels right off. This is not made to go under metal roof systems. It gets too hot for this. It's felt paper. So I always recommend high temp underlayment. Your underlayment to be as good as the roof system itself, and so a high temp peel and stick is what we recommend. Also, they've got the wrong ridge vent system on here. So we got this plastic here, and if you see, they had it laid like this so the water just goes right up underneath here and blows in. So there's a lot of things wrong with this metal roof. We're gonna rip it off today. The tie-ins were leaking. We've been talking about tie-ins for a while. So I just did a bunch of videos on roof tie-ins and how we do our metal tie-ins. But this one, I'm gonna show you how the valley's tied in and why it's super important to get a roofer that knows what he's doing. So let me show you this. So here's your tie-in right here, guys. Just a good old silicone caulking system right here where it ties into the building. This is a flat roof system, and so what they did is they just put silicone in here, and you can see I can stick my whole hand behind here. All this metal's coming up. This was done incorrectly, and if you look at one of our other videos, we'll show you how we do our tie-in. Let me show you this valley, guys. This is how the valley was done. Now, you wouldn't have known this if you're the homeowner because you couldn't see it. So this is just spray foam that you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot that was put underneath here because it was leaking so bad and the water was running underneath. Not correct. So another issue is lead boots on metal roof system. Lead does not go with the certain metals that you put panels on with. These solar patches here, so what happens is the water runs, gets underneath here and leaks through the screws. These don't even have neoprene on them, but what I like to see is this on top of these panels, because you don't have as much water moving here as you do here. But you can see the solar panels, I don't believe they're attached correctly. It just makes it high availability for it to leak. So another issue there. This isn't the first time this homeowner's had this roof worked on. That's the sad part about this. All these screws have been replaced already, so he's already paid to have the screws removed and replaced once, and now we're ripping this section off to redo it the right way. So like I said, if you watch some of my other videos, you'll see our tie-ins and why we make such a big deal about how we do our metal roof system, so you, the homeowner, don't end up like this.